Hello, this is Anurag Aho Niranjana from ORB Academy. So today I will showcase some case studies which will show us the importance of ICMC breakout on how these simple trades can actually generate a lot of money for us. All these trades have been taken from 18th December to 2020, that was the last Friday, and all these are intraday trades. I'm using MetaTrader 4 as my charting platform, and I use the templates by ORB Academy, which helps me in identifying these trades and plotting them on my chart. So the first case is of Nestle India. We see a trend change happening here with this zigzag, and then we see various ICs getting generated, and the first IC, the lowest IC, getting broken by this MC here, and then we have a trespassing entry depend based on this IC at 18484.95, which actually gets triggered at this particular part, this particular candle, and then the stock retraces a little and then it starts falling and it achieves target by the last candle of the day. So it becomes very easy for me to take this trade because I am immediately notified when such a trade has taken place, has actually got initiated, and then it plots the various stop losses and the targets for me. So this was a clean trade of Nestle India, which actually got triggered on Friday. Let us have a look at another chart, that is the chart of SPI. We'll see a chart on the buy side now. So we see there is a trend change happening here for a bullish trend, and then we have the IC which is here, and the MC which is followed by the MC follows this IC, and there's a trespassing entry at 266.35, which gets generated, which gets triggered at this particular point, and then the stocks consolidates for some time and then breaks out and achieves a target of 270.35. Again, a very clean trade which happened and which actually gave us quick money and very clean and safe money. So this is the importance of ICMC breakout. Let's have a look at another trade, that is of Sun TV. We see a trade on the sell side here. We see a trend change here, and there's a IC which gets generated here, and there's a MC which gets generated here, and there's a ICMC trespassing at 489.50, which gets triggered at this particular bar for a target of 482.35, and then we get a clean move here in the next few bars, which is where the target is achieved. Now, what is the beauty of this particular breakout is that the breakouts have happened at very small candles. So we get a very good percentage of profit here because the candles are small here and the trespassing was easy. So this is another good example of a trespassing winner for on Friday. Next, we'll have a look at Tata Elxsi. This is also a very interesting chart. We see the IC getting generated here and the MC getting generated here, and the IC trespassing at 1655.4, which got triggered at this bar, and then it was away downwards all the time. It was downhill till it hit the target at 1633.25 at this particular bar. Again, a very clean trade, a nice trade, which if we see with the naked eye would have lost and thinking that it is actually a buy trade here, which of course it was a breakout which happened here also. If you see there's ICMC breakout which has happened here also, but finally we were able to take this as well, and then this was the latest trade which happened that particular day. So a beautiful concept of ICMC breakout on display here. We can have a look at one more chart. We have time for one more chart now, so let us have a look at maybe Voltas. If it is here, we'll have a look at Voltas. Yeah, Voltas is here. So this is another chart, which is a beautiful chart. Now, why I'm showcasing this chart is that there will be at times you will actually get charts, you will actually get trades which you'll not be able to take. For example, a Voltas says we have a nice ICMC which has broken out, but then the retracement which was at 821.65 did not happen. So that's why we see this blue arrow instead of the green arrow, signaling that the trespassing has not happened. So it did not alert us as a trade. And we have to be careful with such runaway stocks because they form candle shunting, and if for some reason the stock decides to retrace, you can come all the way down after it has actually moved up. So one another such case was a case of Reliance, which was missed. This was also because the movement was very fast, and we could not get a trespassing entry here. Reliance, again, if you see, it was a very fast moved stock. Of course, there were other parameters in which the stock could have been caught with other parameters of Nimble TA, like momentum breakouts and impulse breakouts. But as far as ICMCBU is concerned, this was a miss because the trespassing did not happen. The stock kept moving up and up. So we have to be very careful about our approach, and in case if trespassing does not happen, however lucrative it looks, until and unless there are breakouts which happen out of the body candles getting formed, as Sir teaches in his courses, where we can immediately take an entry, we should always wait for trespassing to happen to enter a particular stock. So I hope this video was useful as far as showcasing of ICMC breakout is concerned, and also highlighting a few miss outs. Let us focus more on these trades in the coming week, because I can tell you with confidence that this is a beautiful tried system of Nimble TA, and it does give us very good returns. Thank you so much.